Alright guys, I'm back on crack. Me and Noah are gonna be busting out videos from now on.
Hi. I can see you in the mirror.
Actually?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, so I filmed another Upgarage video that we weren't gonna release it, but now we're thinking we'll just throw it out there for the contents, you know? And plus, you guys might want to see it because there's some fucking sick shit. But yeah, so this Upgarage, it was really loud. All the employees were staring me down. They're like, So I was like, trying to be low key, you know, snoop around, filming. But yeah, so I was talking in the video, but you can't really hear it for some reason. I think I might have been covering the mic on the iPhone with my hand. But yeah, you can still see the shit in there, and yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoy this other Upgarage video. Please like it, comment on it, subscribe on it, turn on notifications on it. And yeah, stay tuned for more dickery. Dickery sticks.
Heck yeah, brother.
Garage round 2. Sick Eagle Mass GX61 on Hashi Streets.
I like detailing. I want to do mine.
Seanpizza. Yeah.
Well, that's decent condition. $30? I'll buy that. Thank you, Benson.
I think it's Cusco.
It looks like it.
No shit, Hobbs.
Unknown maker.
That's 15 going next time.
Yeah, I saw that. That's pretty cool.
So light.
OBA style wheels. So expensive.
Seanpizza. Yeah. Hi. Check it out.
配点番号札 Y001 番でお待ちのお客様、第3弾配点カウンターまでお越しくださいませ。ご試着、ご試食と一緒に合わせてご相談ください。本日もアップガレージ市場中央店にご来店いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。この後もお時間の許す限りどうぞご利用ください。
Seanpizza.
I think we should buy this.
Oh, what's only 70 bucks?
Yeah, it's in really good shape too. I just grab it. Put it in the container.
So, there you go.
It's in good shape.
Is it side mount or bottom mount? Bottom mount.
Bottom mount?
Yeah.
That bride.
Just see how you do with the... How small is one?
I know. It's fuck. What is that, like 2 something? 280 mil? Look at how expensive it is. That's fucked.
Are you buying this one?
Yeah, I think so. Is that loud? Jeez.
Was it? It's like an HKS coolant gauge. It even kind of moves already.
Oh, how's the harness on it?
Yeah.
$10?
Yeah.
What is this for?
SR20 set.
Oh, S14. $100. Getting this strut power bar.
And then
S13.
RB25 turbo for $7.
RB25 turbo. XC power intake, $20. 40% off. Huh? Wasn't too much great stuff in there. Got the strut bar, $30. Then got that HKS gauge. What the fuck? And some Drift and Goku magazines. That's pretty cool gauge. So cheap too. Look at all the. Yeah. Decent.
What are those?
Work equip, O2s. Looks like there's 5 of them. There it is, the Upgarage. It wasn't the best one. A lot of them don't have that much stuff because they sell a lot of stuff, like the cool parts through Kruger to people in like the US and stuff. But we ended up getting, Ben got that old gauge. Now I can't remember what it was.
You're fucked, man.
Was it HKS? No. Fuck. Can't remember.
Right,
You can see it in the video. Yeah, it's like an old little one. It was really cheap. It was like $10 because it was 40% off. I got this front strut bar for an
Man, how the
S13.
fuck did we lose subscribers?
You gotta be kidding me, man. Are you serious? So, Ben got the gauge. I got the strut tower bar. Ben also got some old Drift and Goku magazines. They're like $1 each there, which is pretty sick. And then, and then we left and actually ended up coming back and grabbing that red Daytona bucket seat, the really old school style one. It was in really good shape. And I think like I really love that style of seat, and it was like $70, I think. So we just bought it. We're gonna be throwing it in our container that we're bringing back, so it's not like we're carrying it home.
You should talk about the Silvia so we can be like Upgarage #2 and buying a Silvia.
All right, so we were driving along this road in like just.
Middle of bumfuck nowhere.
If you're looking on the map, it's just right above Tokyo. We're driving around there on our way to an Upgarage, and we came across this lot that had like probably 30 Chasers, S15s, S14s, like all these crazy track cars. And then so we just decided to get out and look, and Ben spots the Silvia in the very far corner, and so we go over there and I was like, oh! It was fucking mint, man. Charcoal gray, slick top, manual, SR20D, which is the engine I wanted in a Silvia. Fully stocked, like not even aftermarket head unit. It was super clean underneath, no rust in the car. Like I was looking in the trunk, there's no rust anywhere. It's the fucking dream, man. It's the fucking dream. Alright, we're in this sick car dealership. And Ben found the Silvia tucked away in the corner. NASR. Slick top. Manual. 104,000 kilometers on it. No rust. They're trying to get it started right now, and I'm gonna buy it. Because it's a pretty good deal. If they can get it started.
If he doesn't buy it, I'm buying it.
I think there's problems with the fuel pump though, but yeah. Keep you updated. Hopefully we buy it. They said they can ship it home. So yeah, so I was looking at the Silvia, and I talked to the guy at the dealership, and he's like, yeah, like I do a lot of export to North America, like I can definitely ship it out for you and handle all that. So I was like, that's fucking sick. Trying to handle my excitement, you know, I had a boner, like I was like scraping all the cars as I was walking past them with my freaking dick. Anyway, so then That was so uncomfortable. So anyway, then we're talking to him, and I'm like, "What's it gonna take, man? It's gonna cost to get this bitch home?" And he's like, "It's gonna be 5,000 yen. No, 50,000 yen or 500,000 yen.
500,000.
500,000 yen." And I'm like, "Man, that's not even bad.
That's pretty cheap, man.
It's pretty fucking cheap." Yeah. So anyway, I'm like, still keeping it cool, like fucking cool cucumber jewel pod, right? keeping it relaxed. And then so I was like, "Yeah, okay, I'll take it. Can we just start it up? I just want to see it run because it needs to be able to drive to get on the ship to be sent home." And he's like, "Yeah." And so he like goes to start it. It won't start. It's been sitting a while. Like it was tucked in the back. It was tucked behind like an R34 4-door and Suzuki Cappuccino and like a bunch of other bullshit cars. And then so he was trying to start it, couldn't get it started. Got the jump pack out, couldn't get it started. Like we turned it to accessory and we couldn't hear the fuel pump coming on, so we figured it was a dead fuel pump. So he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna get one. It's gonna take 2 weeks to get here." And I was like, "Man, we were just at an Upgarage down the road that has like R32 fuel pumps that would work." But he's gumping this old guy. Holy shit. He just fell. But yeah, anyway, so he said 2 weeks, I'll get the part, call me, we'll ship it home. So yeah, that was a week ago. Week and a half ago.
No, that was a week today.
No, it was last Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
Last Wednesday. So on Wednesday in 3 days, I'm gonna call him, try to buy the Silvia. It's the fucking dream unit, man. It's just absolutely dicked in a good way. All the original trunk lining. No rust. Super clean underneath as well. I don't know if you can see it really. Yeah, it's fucking clean. Fully stocked. Not even aftermarket deck or exhaust.
Oh, I know. It's good at stock ride height, so you can kind of look under at the frame too. I can really look under.
There's a mirror.
You have the classic missing frame piece section?
No, actually. I don't think so.
Maybe it's on the other side.
Might be on the other side. Super clean underneath though.
Yeah, dude, that's
Stock exhaust. Well,
even the pinch welds are
goodness.
nice.
I was thinking, yeah, even if it doesn't start.
Yeah, we'll just try to get it cheaper then.
Yeah.
Because if you don't buy it, I am.
No,
Oh, yeah,
fuck
it's
out
been-
here.
Hit right there.
What?
On a jack or something?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
That'll come out.
That'll come out. How's that come out? Just leave it.
That'll polish it.
So yeah, hopefully that works out. I actually have a clip of us looking at it. I don't know if you want to put that, if Noah's going to put that clip in this video. If not, he's going to cut this part out that I'm talking about. But yeah, it was the dream. I was so stoked, man. And we left it.
Fucking dead fuel pump, hey?
Yeah, that was some bullshit. I was like, okay, I'll swap it out myself. And he's like, no, no, no. So I was like, So yeah, hopefully that works out.
You know what's some bullshit? Is 2 weeks for a fuel pump. That's some bullshit.
Yeah, you're in Japan, man. You got all the tank shit.
Like,
He had a Silvia. He had another one that was like really bunk. Like it was stripped interior, had like some bum ass fender flares. Like it was like Japanese people do this weird thing where they like build like drift cars to like USDM spec, where it just looks like fuck. Like, oh. But yeah, so he had a Silvia, a really bum one. I was like, can we take the fuel pump out of this and put it in it? And he's like,
Wasn't happening.
nah. So that was bumming me out. But yeah, so we'll see on Wednesday. Today's Sunday.
bet you forgot, man.
Oh, he definitely didn't do it. Fuck, now I'm getting more bummed.
It's probably fuck this kid.
But anyway, so hopefully that works out. If it does, I'm wiring him the money ASAP. We're gonna have a Silvia in goddamn no time. Anyway, yeah, if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna go to fucking Tibet and become a monk. and do monk shit for the rest of my
it's about
life.
time you have a car.
It's gotta be the Silvia too, man. That's the dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see in 3 days if I'm becoming a monk or if I'm getting a Silvia. Both are decent things.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah, man. Do some monk shit. But yeah, so stay tuned. Subscribe. Comment. Like. Turn notifications on. Show your friends. Go on Instagram. Comment. Like. Follow us at Moist Boys. And if I haven't already said this in the video, if you want to grab some merch, link is in the description.
It's on sale, man.
Huge sale, man. Best deals on some nice ass Champion gear. Probably the best prices on Champion clothing you're gonna get right now. We're just trying to clear it out because
Better than eBay,
we
man.
got new stuff coming eventually. Yeah, better than literally probably the
Taking
best.
up too much room in your.
It's too much room, man.
Too
I
much
have no
space in the
room
bedroom, man.
to play with my Hot Wheels,
If you're a medium and there's only a small left in stock,
dude.
buy it anyways.
Yeah, crop
If you're
top.
small and there's only a large left in stock, just get fucking yoked and then grow into it, you know?
Yeah, or eat a bunch of food, or go to the gym,
Yeah.
or just cut it. Fucking surf the bottom, man.
Custom, dude.
Yeah, custom.
If you're small and there's only a large left in stock, Adam's mom will sew it for you to your size. She will hem that shit for
There's
you.
like if you order it, there's a 3% chance she'll have it for you. Which is honestly pretty good odds. But anyway, yeah. If you're large and your girlfriend's a small, and there's a small, buy her that small, man.
Yeah. Like Merry Christmas.
Yeah, she's tired of your shit. She's been putting up with it. Why is there so much cat vomit on this carpet? Is this a new carpet too?
Cut that out of the video.
Because you're not going to be getting deals like this before Christmas. Nuh-uh. And not on this sick of shit. Nuh-uh. Anyway, that was a big-ass rant.
I think it says 17 minutes. Probably 12.
Of talking?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, that's it.
Cut
See you
it,
guys
man.
later.